everybody, Jennifer here again, and I'm back with part 3 of my suturing tutorials. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Today you'll be learning how to do a continuous locking suture. Now, a disclaimer, I am not a doctor or a surgeon. I am an artist and a third-year medical student who enjoys suturing. So with that being said, let's begin. Okay, so if you want to learn the basics like the name of these instruments or how to hold them, please go ahead and watch my first suturing video, the simple interrupted tutorial. Link is below. Now before I begin with the actual suturing process, I will begin with this drawing to help you visualize what we will be doing today. Okay, so as usual, I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert my needle here. I'm gonna go through the skin and come out. And just like the suture we did in the previous video, the simple continuous suture, we're not gonna cut this thread. So we're just gonna make a knot right here and continue on. So I'm gonna place my needle in here, go through the skin, out of the skin. Now the difference between this one and the simple continuous suture is that we're gonna be going through the loop instead of outside of the loop. Now we'll show this again once I do the actual suturing process. So we're gonna go inside the loop and then into the skin right here, under the skin, come out, inside the loop, into the skin, come out of the skin, inside the loop, and continue doing that until we reach the end. Okay, now let's suture. I think I'm gonna pick this incision right here. So I'm gonna zoom in to get a better view. Okay, so today I'm going to be using this 2-0 polyester suture, and it's actually green, so I'm kind of excited to see what that looks like. This is a little thicker than the ones that we've been using previously. Let me get that open. Oh, this looks nice. Alright, so 90 degrees to the needle, and let's begin. Making sure that they're equidistant. Okay, and then with the surgeon's knot. 1, 2, around the needle driver. Pick up that tail. And tie. Then once around the needle driver. Tail. Tie. One more time around opposite direction. Tie. Last time. Tie. I should have done a better job with making that tighter. But anyway. So now we're not gonna cut this, we're just gonna keep going. I'll show you 1 or 2 and I'll just speed up the video. Now remember that loop I was talking about? I'm going to make sure that this goes in inside that loop and we can pull it through. Look at that. Now if I had an assistant, he or she would hold this taut for me so that I could approximate the edge as well. Alright, let's do another one. Inside the loop. This is probably one of my favorite stitches because it's just so beautiful, and it's also actually for my embroidery folks. This is a basket stitch. Okay, we're gonna do one more, then I'll speed up the video. Inside the loop. Alright, now I'm going to speed up the video. just realized that I got down to the end without showing you guys how to tie it off. So I'm gonna take this needle back out of this loop. Okay. So we pulled this string back out of the loop because now we're gonna tie this off. I'm trying to make a tail right here. So this will be our tail. Hope you can see that. So 2 loops around the needle driver, picking up that tail, pulling it through. Sorry, before I make this knot, I'm gonna make this look way better. If I had an assistant, this would be much easier. Alright, so that was 2 times around the loop, so now we're gonna go once. Another time. Let's do it one more time. And now we're gonna cut this. Alright, so that will be our continuous locking suture, aka the basket stitch for sewing and embroidery. So I hope you found that useful. My next suturing tutorial would be on the figure of 8 suture. I'm excited to do that one. Alright, I'll see you guys then. Bye.